Hey, can I ask you a question?
Sure, what is it?
What do you do for work?
Ah, the famous question. Everyone asks this.
Exactly, and today we're going to teach you how to answer it perfectly.
In simple, natural English.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to talk about your job confidently.
Ready? Let's start.
So, Jack, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a marketing company.
Oh, that sounds creative. What exactly do you do?
I design things, like posters, websites, logos, things like that.
That's cool. Do you work in an office?
Yes, but sometimes I work from home too.
Nice. That's convenient. What about you, Emma? What's your job?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to adults
Oh, where do you teach?
at a language school in the city center. It's about 20 minutes from my house.
That's not too far. Do you like teaching?
I love it. It's very rewarding. So, Emma, what's a typical day like for you?
Well, I usually start at 9 a.m. First, I prepare my lessons.
What does that mean? Prepare lessons.
I plan what to teach. I choose activities, make handouts, things like that.
I see. How long does that take?
Maybe 30 minutes. Then I teach classes from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Wow, that's a lot of teaching.
Yeah, but I have breaks between classes. What about you? What's your day like?
My day is different every day. It depends on the project.
Project?
Yeah, a project is like a job or a task. For example, right now I'm designing a website for a client.
Oh, a client is a customer, right?
Exactly. The person or company who pays for my work.
Got it. So how do you start your day?
Usually I check my emails first. Then I have a meeting with my team.
A meeting? What do you talk about?
We discuss the project, what we need to do, who does what, deadlines.
Deadlines.
Yeah, the date when we must finish the work.
Ah, I understand. That sounds stressful.
Sometimes yes, but it's also exciting.
So, Jack, what skills do you need for your job?
Good question. I need to be creative, and I need to know design software.
Like Photoshop?
Yes, exactly. Photoshop, Illustrator, programs like that.
That sounds complicated.
It was difficult at first, but now it's easy. What about you? What skills do you need?
Well, I need to be patient. Students learn at different speeds.
That's true. What else?
I need good communication skills. I explain things clearly and simply.
That's important for a teacher.
Yes, and I need to be organized. I have many students and many classes.
I understand. Organization is important for me too,
Really? Why?
because I work on multiple projects at the same time. If I'm not organized, I forget things.
That's a problem.
Exactly. So I use a calendar and make to-do lists every day.
Smart. I do the same thing.
Emma, what's the best part of your job?
I think it's when students improve. When they can finally speak English well.
That must feel great.
It does. It's very satisfying. What about you? What do you love about your job?
I love creating something new. When I finish a design and the client loves it, that feeling is amazing.
I can imagine. Is there anything you don't like about your job?
Sometimes clients change their mind many times.
Oh no. What do you mean?
Like, I design something, they say, change this, change that. Then I change it, then they want the old version again.
Haha, that sounds frustrating.
It is, but it's part of the job. What about you? What's difficult about teaching?
Sometimes students are tired or not motivated.
That's tough.
Yeah, I try to make lessons fun and interesting, but it's not always easy.
I'm sure you're a great teacher, Emma.
Thanks, Jack. You're very kind.
So, Jack, is graphic design your dream job?
I really like it, but my dream job is to be a freelance designer.
Freelance? What's that?
It means working for myself, no boss. I choose my clients and projects.
That sounds amazing. More freedom.
Exactly. What about you? Is teaching your dream job?
I love teaching, but sometimes I dream about writing books.
Books? What kind of books?
English learning books to help more students around the world.
That's a beautiful dream, Emma.
Thanks. Maybe one day.
I'm sure you will.
Okay, everyone. Now you know how to talk about jobs in English.
You learned how to describe what you do, your daily routine, and the skills you need.
So next time someone asks, "What do you do?" you're ready.
Practice with us. Tell us about your job in the comments.
We'd love to hear from you.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.